Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in the amazing Nashville studios today. And you know, I'm such a big believer in adding weight to the frame of the Glock because it really reduces felt recoil and muzzle flip. You can just drive the gun faster. It's something that a lot of competition shooters are using, and we sell a lot of different items that help you reduce recoil. Tungsten guide rod, of course, is one of our best and most effective because it puts the weight out front here on the muzzle. The other item that's been very popular is our insert, our brass insert, heavy brass insert, slips right in the back there, just goes all the way in. You lock it in place with a set screw, and that adds a lot of extra weight as well. But there's a new thing that just came out that if you add all those together, you really are starting to develop this Glock into a gun that you can just drive and there's no recoil whatsoever. And it is the new Kiral heavyweight steel as in steel backstrap, and it's heavy, okay? Now, the plug that I just installed was about 3 ounces, okay? And this is for a Glock 17 Gen 5. This steel backstrap, I already weighed it, but it's basically just under 2 ounces. And I'll put it on here, and I don't know if the camera's gonna see it. Yeah, there it is, it says 2 right now. So it's 2 ounce weight, it's a dead weight on the back, but what's really nice about it, they did a great job contouring it, and also, I would say, making it smooth so it really feels good on your the web of your thumb and your index finger. So here's basically what happens. I mean, the installation is so simple, it's crazy. You drive out your trigger housing pin, which I've already done with one of my little punches, just drive that out, boom. And then you align the backstrap just like so. And it's, like I said, they've done a great job because everything lines up perfectly. So then you take the steel pin that they provide, which is a little bit longer, okay? And you basically get it lined up, get it set up there like so, and then you'll need a little punch typically, a little hammer, and I use the nylon tip on this guy. Sometimes you can see the nylon tip getting chewed up a little bit, so what you'd want to do maybe is use the steel side of it till you get pretty close to the frame, and then just tap on it, make sure the other side lines up, and it does. That's what's nice about this nylon, is you can get in there and kind of, you know, get a little edge of that thing right on there and try to line it up. Now, it's flush on the one side and not quite flush on this side, so I'm gonna just take my punch and just give it a little tap and try to make it equal on both sides. It's captured right now because of the way they designed it, but now it looks better. And it doesn't intersect with my hand at all. And now there's one other thing that this backstrap does that a lot of people like. Okay, I'm a big believer in the angle of the Glock grip. I really like it because it's very pointable for me in my hand. But a lot of people like the extra meat, in a sense, the extra space here that it kind of alters the shape of the grip a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. That you know, they just like the way it feels in their hand. So it gives them, I guess, a different grip, which, like I said, a lot of people do like. And again, it really provides an extra 2 ounces to the rear of the gun. So this is now a tack driver because there's no recoil. And that's the concept. 9mm doesn't have a lot of recoil anyways. If you use proper technique, get up there, get a good strong grip on it, these extra weights really help reduce the flipping and the felt recoil, and you're able to shoot more accurately, shot to shot, and faster. And that's really what it's all about. You know, for, like I said, a lot of our competition shooters love that. But even just plinking, it makes it much more, you know, just friendly to your hand. So if you have a wife who's shooting and she says, oh, it's too snappy, this is a great way to avoid that snappiness. It's the new heavyweight steel backstrap from Kiral, and it's available now. So time to size up. I'm Lenny McGill. Thanks for watching. This is, of course, the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you're ever in Nashville, come on down and see us. We are basically just about 2 miles from the airport. And people come in on their way into town or way out of town, and you know, we're literally just about 1.5 miles off the freeway. There's 2 freeways. There's 65, there's 40, so there's a lot of people come in as they are traveling to and fro, and we invite you to come down and check us out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.